it's Findings Friday in our planting party week in our free virtual summer camp, Beginning Botanist. So for today, we're going to make our own seed bombs, and it's kind of like a bath bomb, but for seeds. So all you need is some soil, compost, or clay. You obviously need some seeds, so I just have a bunch of different wildflower seeds. And then you need some water. Pretty simple. So all you need to do is combine a little bit of water with your soil, and you just mix it up until you have kind of a clay-like substance. So you don't want it to be too wet, but you don't want it to be too dry either. You want to be able to kind of smush it in your fingers and make a ball like this with your soil, clay, or compost. And then once you've got a ball just like this, you're going to roll it around in your seeds, and they're going to stick to it. Make sure you get it all clumped together. And then what you can do is lay them out, and it'll dry better together, and there's a bunch of seeds in there. So you can see the little tiny seeds. And then it'll be perfect to just drop right into the middle of a plant. And that's one good way to start out growing a new plant. So stay tuned for next week where we talk all about pests and pollinators.